Hello friends, let's create an easy subscribe button for your videos. In the edit page here I have some footage. I go to effects and in the effects library I choose a fusion composition, drag it on the timeline, close the effects library, right click on the fusion composition and then open it in the fusion page. Once I'm in the fusion page, I drag a rectangle and a background in my workspace, connect the rectangle to the background and the background to the media out. Then I'm going to choose a red color for my background node, and then I'm going to play with the sides, but first with the corner radius of the rectangle. I think this is a good one. Then I make it a bit less high and a little bit smaller. Then I'm going to put a text node here. Just drag the output of the text node to the output of the background node to create that merge node. And in the text node I write subscribe. I'm going with that. Maybe a little exclamation point behind it. This leads me to readjusting the rectangle. Make it a little smaller. I want to animate the whole thing. So what I'm going to do is I drag a transform node between the merge and the media out. Drag it here, and as soon as the line becomes blue and yellow, you can drop it and it will be connected. And then I'm going with my playhead to the beginning of our animation. And here I set the animation, the sides to 0. Keyframe it, then I'm going to the end of the animation, click again on the keyframe to create another one, then I'm going to about 3640, somewhere here, and here I'm going to put a 1 in the size so that it has its original size. You see that the keyframe is automatically created. If we go now with the playhead to about 80, you see that it's already declining. So I set the size here to 1 as well, and then I'm going to play it. I want to have the shift in size a little bit smoother, so I click on the transform node, then I open the spline tool, make sure that I click here on transform, and here you can make sure that with the zoom to fit that you have all the keyframes. Then I mark the keyframes by dragging, and then I just hit S on the keyboard to make it smooth. I close the spline editor, and then I go back to the beginning of our animation, hit play, and here we go. Very smooth. So back to our edit page. So here in the editor we can go to the inspector and move our subscribe button around, change size and so forth. We can also do this with the transform handles here from the drop down menu. Just put it wherever we want. We can resize it. And as a bonus, go to the media pool, go to your power bins, click on your fusion composition, go to the inspector, click on file, call it subscribe button. Easy, drag it in your power bin, and now you have it for every project that you are working on. Thanks for watching, have a great day ahead and have fun with the rest of this playlist. Goodbye.